Let's go to Naga City, to Bons Magsangbol. Bons, what's it like there?
Hi, Maria. I'm here at Naga City Science High School, where former Vice President Leni Robredo, now running for mayor, is expected to cast her vote. So for context, Naga has over 121,000 registered voters. But this Naga City Science High School, meron lang itong around 900 voters na dito. So political experts here actually that Robredo is just waiting for the polling day today to be declared as winner. Pre-polling surveys put her at 80 to 90% voter preference. Yung closest rival niya, si Toots de Quiros, just had 10 to 15%. So, yun, inaantay na lang na ma-declare o ma-proclaim si Leni Robredo na bagong Naga mayor tonight. So ina-expect naman na magiging smooth yung pagboto dito. Precincts have opened as early as 5 a.m. para sa mga priority groups including senior citizens and PWDs. So last Saturday, May 10, of course, former Senators Kiko Pangilinan and Bam Aquino held their last campaign sortie here in Naga City, Robredo's Bailiwick, of course. Kiko and Bam are hoping that Naga will deliver votes for them just like how Nagueños delivered votes for Robredo in 2022. So for context, Robredo won here by a landslide, having 92,000 votes against her rival, then presidential candidate Bongbong Marcos, who just had 9,000 votes. And of course, umaasa ang Kiko Bam na kung paano nag-deliver sila kay Leni Robredo noong 2022 ay gagawin din sa kanila. So, yung political comeback bid ni Kiko and Bam remains an uphill battle. Of course, in the final Pulse Asia survey, it seems that Bam Aquino has the only fighting chance, placing at 11th to 18th, while Kiko Pangilinan was was at 17 to 19. So makikita natin na hindi talaga magiging madali yung pagbabalik nila sa Senado. So saan ba natin ito matitrace? Of course, yung kanilang dating political party, the Liberal Party, was the subject of attacks during the Duterte administration. They were heavily demonized, of course. At kung maaalala yun, ng 2022, disinformation played a crucial part kung bakit natalo yung Leni Kiko tandem.